In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync and find contacts on LinkedIn. It's a pretty quick and easy process, so let's jump right in and get you connected with your network seamlessly. To begin, you'll need to open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device or simply head over to linkedin.com on your web browser. Once you have LinkedIn open, take a moment to locate the profile icon. It's at the upper left corner of your screen. Give it a tap, and you should see a menu slide out from the left side. Now navigate to the bottom of this menu and tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll notice a few different sections, but don't worry, we're heading into Account Preferences, which is right at the top. Tap on that, and then scroll down through the options until you find Syncing Options. Give this a tap, and you'll see an option labeled Sync Contacts. Go ahead and tap on Manage All Sync Contacts. This is where you'll see a list of all your synced contacts. If you've never synced your contacts before, this is your chance to do so. Just follow the prompts to add them here. On the other hand, if you decide that you want to start fresh at any point, you can easily remove all of your contacts with a simple tap. After you've synced your contacts, LinkedIn makes it super easy to find them again. Just tap on the network icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now, when you're on the network page, you'll notice an area that says Manage My Network at the top. Keep in mind that since this is being demonstrated on a tutorial account, you won't actually see any contacts displayed on my screen. But generally, you would tap Contacts right here to proceed. Once you've tapped onto contacts, you have the flexibility to sort them by their sources. This means you can tap at the top left where it might say Google or Phone Contacts, allowing you to view contacts that are stored on your phone. You can scroll through this list to discover anyone who has an email or phone number that's associated with their LinkedIn account. From here, LinkedIn gives you the ability to add these contacts to your LinkedIn network, visit their profiles, or even message them directly, enhancing your connectivity experience effortlessly. I hope this walkthrough makes the process crystal clear and helps you in effortlessly expanding your professional network. If you found this video useful, please tap the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.